Now we get to meet one another. How are you doing? What's going on with you following? Are you an investigator of some sort?
Can I ask why you pulled me over, sir?
I pulled you over because the young ladies came over there and said you've been following her since she left the airport yesterday. So I want to know who you are.
Have I committed a crime?
No, but I'm conducting an investigation. Have you been following that young lady? I mean, if you're an investigator, investigate what? But if you're somebody harassing her or stalking her, that's against the law. Me pulling you over to find out who you are is me doing my job.
You might get that light out of my eyes?
Sir, it's nighttime. I don't know you from Adam's house cat. I don't know if you have weapons in here.
You keep both my hands right here.
Well, I don't know if you have weapons in here, man. So I'm gonna keep my flashlight right here where it is. I don't have it in your face. That would be in your face. I have it down. I'm trying to show you that respect. I'm illuminating the vehicle for my safety. Now, would you agree that I've answered every question you've asked me? And all I asked you was one simple question.
Am I free to go?
No, you are not. Not until I find out who you are. I'm conducting an investigation. Do you have your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance line?
Have you pulled me for a traffic violation, sir?
No, sir. I've already explained that to you. Now, you can play the back and forth rigmarole all you want to. I've explained to you why I pulled you over.
Okay, and
The
you
young
didn't have,
lady
you didn't
said
have
that you've
PC. I'm not suspected of
The
committing a
probable
crime.
cause is that you've been following this young lady, and she.
Do you know
said
that,
to her
sir?
life.
Did you see that? Did you see that,
You
Deputy?
came back by. Why'd you come back by?
I don't have to answer questions.
Okay, you don't have to ask the question. Okay, you do have to identify yourself, huh?
Sir, if you suspect me of committing a crime or about to commit a crime, I have to identify myself. You have no problem cause to pull me for a traffic violation. I asked you why you pulled me.
Because the young lady said that you've been following her since yesterday.
So you believe everything everyone says to you?
I'm conducting an investigation.
Okay. Well, you conduct right away, sir. At this point in time, I elect to not say anything. I elect to speak to my, say anything without having my attorney present. That would be Eric Friday.
Call him. Tell him to come up here. We're at the 8100 Lager Bar Central.
Just so you're aware, you're being videotaped.
I do not care. You get my good side, my right side is usually my left side.
Yeah, there's no good side on the cop's face.
Well, you're one of those people.
Yeah, one of those people. Yeah, and you're one of those people, right? Gun and badge for an extra rice, right?
No, it doesn't grab me an inch, right?
Yeah.
But,
How about you do your
scared
job
young
and honor
lady
your
comes
oath?
up telling me that somebody's been following her since yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm investigating.
Yeah, and you just take everything everyone comes up to you. Okay, I just said someone pull a gun on me. You gonna go investigate that?
I sure would. Who pulled a gun on you?
Yeah.
Who pulled a gun on you? Someone pull a gun on you?
I don't answer questions, Stephen.
You don't answer questions. You just stalk young ladies. Just stand by them. Stand by.
Your name and badge number, deputy? Your name and badge number, deputy? The guy that pulled me over is leaving. Am I free to go, deputy? Am I free to go?
No, sir, not yet.
What am I being detained for, sir?
And when I get around the kid, my car where it needs to be, I'll explain to you.
Hey, buddy, what's going on here?
Name and badge number, sir?
Ascension 6619.
Masinson, Masinsin. Sir, I'd like to know why I'm being detained.
No, we want to, someone's saying that you're spot cleaning your stock, and then is that you, Aaron?
Okay, let me make this clear, sir. I'm not giving you a hard time. I'm not giving you gentlemen a hard time.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Turn my roll the sign window up, okay?
Okay.
I'd like to know.
Someone's allegedly.
Let me speak for a moment, sir. No disrespect. I would like you to articulate what crime you suspect me of committing or what crime you suspect me of about to commit.
No, we just have reasonable suspicion to figure out what's going on here.
No, sir. See, you don't get to detain me to figure out if I've committed a crime, sir. The law and the statute states, in order for you to detain me, you must have reasonable, articulable suspicion that either I have
No, we have probable
What is
cause.
your probable cause?
We got a complaint that we got that the red.
That's not probable cause, sir. What crime you suspect me of committing? Stop. And what you suspect me of committing?
That's
Stop.
why I want to know. Were you anywhere near this? Near that?
I don't answer questions.
Do you know?
I do not answer questions. If you're going to articulate that you suspect me of committing a crime and have reasonable suspicion of that, their name and badge number, sir.
Sir, what's her name?
Your name and badge number, sir.
Well, you gotta remember.
How about all you being recorded? I've got 4 cameras in this truck. You're required by policy to issue your name and badge number. I'm going to ask you what. I'm speaking to this gentleman right now. I'll get your name and badge number in a minute. Your name and badge number. What's your name?
I just told you.
I didn't hear it because I'm sitting here speaking to this gentleman. So I'm going to ask you once again. If you want to be a smart ass about it, I'll file an internal affairs case on you. I didn't hear it. I'm asking you once again. So extend some professional courtesy and treat me with the respect I deserve. What is your name and badge number?
Well, here's sir. I gave you mine. 0051.
Thank you. I appreciate that, Deputy. Was that so hard?
No.
Your name and badge number, sir.
When I give you my name, that was it. I have your name?
Name and badge number, sir.
Lou. Anyway, I'd like to have your name, sir.
See, the thing is, sir, the law states I don't have to give my name and information unless you suspect me of committing a crime.
I don't.
Then am I free to go? Because this is an illegal detainment.
That's this time.
This is an illegal detainment.
Okay.
My attorney, Mr. Eric Friday, would love to bring up a civil lawsuit against you in the city for this illegal detainment.
Sir, we're not trying to upset you.
I'm not.
We had a radio call. Let me give you with
Right ahead, sir.
We got a radio call that a vehicle matching this description of your vehicle was harassing someone in a short distance. Okay, don't know what's transpired. We don't know anything about it. Your car meets what we were told, and that's why we're questioning it. And that's very simple. All we need to do is just ask you your name and the car and where have you been.
This my name is going to establish whether I've harassed someone or not.
You do ask for our name, Boo. Would it be nice to have your name as well?
It would be, but see, I don't.
I don't have to give it.
I appreciate you doing this, sir.
All right, you don't have to give it now. But we'd just like to know, so we can, gentlemen.
Yeah.
Would that be
My
on
name is Mike, sir. You can address me as Mike.
Okay, that's fine, Mike. That's a great beginning. And the reason why is because, like I said, your criminal description we were given doesn't mean you're guilty.
I respect it. You're the office of an law enforcement officer, everybody.
All right, we're not saying you're guilty of anything. We didn't say that.
Then you are illegally detaining me. I asked the last deputy that left what was his reason for stopping me. He didn't stop me for a traffic offense. Let me calm down. I shouldn't be yelling at you.
Thank you.
I should be warning you.
I'm not yelling at you.
This deputy that stopped me, sir, did not articulate he would stop me for a traffic violation. Then I asked him what his probable cause was, or what crime he suspected me of committing, or what reasonable crime, or his reason.
The case is, as I stated, is that we had a description of a vehicle. Your vehicle matched that, and which is clear to determine, no, you're not the one, or yes, you are the one.
See, the law protects me. I don't have to answer questions.
So would it? Yes, sir. But we're asking for your cooperation.
Mhm.
And can we get that cooperation?
I'm cooperating. The fact that I extend my rights doesn't mean I'm not cooperating, sir. Would you agree with that?
But I don't understand it. If you said you're an ex-law enforcement officer and you understand that when somebody calls us and says, hey, this vehicle was following me, okay, and we stop you and we ask you questions regarding you, either you did or you didn't.
Correct.
What do you think a citizen, if they weren't doing anything wrong, would say, no, I'm not doing
But see,
anything
sir,
wrong?
as a law enforcement officer, I realize how LEOs twist people's words. Let me finish speaking, okay?
Yes, please do.
They twist people's words. Any attorney, and all you 3 gentlemen will know, you don't ever speak to the cop. You don't ever talk to cops. Never. You never talk to cops unless you're legally obligated to. Nothing good can come from that. I'm very well of my rights, very well aware of my rights. Now, I understand you're doing no fault with that. You are doing your job.
Okay.
And the mere fact that I'm exercising my legal rights does not make me uncooperative. Okay? Now, the fact that someone called you and said they're harassing doesn't give you the general order just to stop people.
So that wasn't the reason why. Because the person in a vehicle that matched your description was doing that. We didn't say you were doing it.
Okay.
And that's all coming down to.
But how do you define veracity? Someone just supposed says they were harassing. Did you ask her what they did? Did you ask the person?
She said
A red truck, pickup truck was following her since she came in town.
Is that a crime?
We haven't determined that. We just want to make sure.
You see where I'm going with this, sir? I mean, I understand you guys are doing your job. Do you see how this goes? I'm aware of my rights. You do not have, you have the right to ask me whatever question you want.
You're really enjoying this.
I'm not enjoying anything. You know what I am enjoying? How you officers fail to realize that those badges and those guns don't give you the right to violate other people's rights. But sir, you are. I've articulated to you that you were illegally detaining me. And because you choose to abuse your authority and not recognize that what I'm saying is a fact, you were illegally violating my right.
The question you to find out if you are the one or not the one that was violating this other woman's rights.
But I've made it clear, sir, I'm not going to answer your question. I've made it clear enough. Don't get to it. Yes, sir. The fact that I'm exercising my rights does not mean I'm not cooperating, sir.
Yes, it does.
It does not. It absolutely does not. Now, if I was doing something against the law or resisting you in some manner,
We can't determine that.
but you don't get to question you so I can give you information so you can make a case or not a case. I'm not saying I am this person, I'm not saying I am not this person, but what you fail to realize is I do not have to speak to you, sir. And that does not give you the right to detain me until you get some information to charge me with the crime. You don't get to search and search until I say something or you twist something I say to use it against me. You gentlemen have a dangerous job. There is 19 unsolved murders in this city. Okay? You've got much better things to do to f with me. Okay? I'm not a threat to anyone. What? So there's 5 cops here. The gentleman that pulled me, and if he had any reasonable articulate suspicion, is no longer here. I'm assuming, I don't know where he is or where he's going. You 3 gentlemen have no first-hand information. No first-hand information. This officer that pulled me over said he spoke with some individual that says, apparently I was doing something what was classified as a robbery.
No, we did. We
You
say you
didn't say that. I said that officer.
that your vehicle was
Now, were you here?
to be
See this camera here? That officer stood here and said he spoke to a woman that said I was harassing her and following her for days. I didn't say you 3. The black gentleman, the gentleman that was here a few moments ago, that has now left the scene. So once again, gentlemen, hold on. Let me calm down.
where?
Once again, gentlemen, if you have a reasonable articulate suspicion of me committing a crime or about to commit a crime, you have a right to detain me, ask me for my ID, which I will oblige you with, as I'm required by law. Short of that standard, you are illegally detaining me. I've asked to be free to go, and you are telling me until I give you some information, I'm not free to go. That is a violation of my rights, sir. Do you understand that?
He's the one that's going to give us your ID. That's all it is.
You know what, guys? I would love to give it to you because I used to be one of them. But because I'm aware of my rights and because of my life experiences with law enforcement, I choose to exercise my rights. Not to be difficult, sir. You guys have much more of other things. See, that's just it, because people don't know the right. And because LEOs, I don't know you 3 gentlemen personally. I quit a department because I ratted out the crook cops that worked with me. Okay? I'm sick of it. The corruption is everywhere. Every single cop in this nation is a liar. All right? I used to be one of them.
And you're following 3 of us liars.
Yes, sir. If you're going to stand here and tell me you've never falsified, twisted a report just to your benefit, or provided false information, or saw one of your fellow brothers in blue violate someone's rights, or do something wrong by the mere fact of you withholding that information and not going to your supervisor makes you a liar.
I deny.
In your life, you've never, ever lied. You've never, ever lied in your entire life.
Well, that's something. Are you talking as a police officer or as a human being?
As a police officer, you never lied in your life. Sir, you're allowed to lie in investigations. The Supreme Court has ruled you're allowed to lie. So your credibility just went out the window for me. I'm a certified interrogator, buddy. Don't sit here and play this game with me. You just lost your credibility. Now, any respectable person would say, of course I've lied. I've lied in the line of duty. I've lied in my personal life. Yeah, I got more integrity in my finger, buddy, than you've got in your whole body.
Back to my original question when I first got in on this thing. Are you following somebody else?
I don't answer questions, sir.
Well, okay.
Am I free to go?
Yeah, you go.
Thank you.
Classic fishing expedition, and this one gets exposed in real time. A man gets pulled over, not for a traffic violation, but because a woman claimed he was following her. No crime confirmed, no officer witnessed anything. Right away, the driver does it right. What crime do you suspect me of committing? The officers can't answer it. They keep saying, investigation. But here's the law. You don't get to detain someone just to figure out if a crime happened. You need reasonable, articulable suspicion of a specific crime. They didn't have it. No ID required, no questions required, and definitely no prolonged detention. The driver invokes his rights, refuses to answer questions, and calls out the issue clearly. This is an illegal detainment. Eventually, the tone shifts. One officer admits they're just trying to figure out what's going on. Bottom line, allegations alone are not probable cause. Investigation is not a free pass to detain, and silence is not suspicious. This is what happens when cops try to build a case first and look for a crime later.
Mr. Henderson, how you doing, boss?
What's up with you?
All right, man, I'm Trooper Holder with the Maryland State Police. You're being audibly and visually recorded, okay? All right. Do you know why I stopped you?
I sure don't.
Do you know how fast you were driving?
35.
Back
40.
here?
What
Back
you
here?
mean back here?
Yeah, this car over.
You know how fast you were driving on this road back here?
What road?
Pacific Drive.
Pacific?
Yep.
What, 20?
You were driving 20?
I'm asking, what was I driving?
I'm asking you. Do you know how fast you were going?
You pulling me over. What's going on? What's up?
I asked you if you know how fast you were going.
I'm asking, how fast was I going?
Yeah, you just said 35.
I was going 35 on when you first got behind me on Great Mills Road. I seen you the whole time when I came out the liquor store.
Okay.
You was on me from back then, so what's going on?
Okay. Well, there's two reasons I stopped you, okay? First reason is when you came out of that parking lot, all right, and entered onto a private road or a public roadway, you didn't stop.
Huh?
You didn't stop.
What you mean I didn't stop?
So when you're entering a private road onto a public roadway, you're supposed to stop. You didn't stop.
Stop where? I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Stop prior to entering the public roadway.
Stop.
So you left the parking lot, right?
What parking lot?
The parking lot where the liquor store was?
I left the parking lot?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's where you were, right?
Right.
When you entered onto
Great Mills Road.
correct,
Right.
you didn't stop.
I've been stopped there for 10 minutes, right? Cause it was traffic in the parking lot, right or wrong?
Coming out, we couldn't get out.
Okay.
I mean, I get what you probably saying, you know what I mean? But, you know.
Yeah,
I'm not
it ain't-
getting it. I'm the driver, so I'm not getting what you're
Okay.
saying. I was stopped at
Hey,
Canopy.
not to cut you off. I mean, I don't even want to move.
He ain't got
I
nothing to do
live
with that.
right
He
here.
live right here.
I
Can you
was
go
just
home?
going to the store.
You just hang out, man.
No, I'm just, huh?
You can just hang out.
No, it's cool. I'm saying I live
He
right
asked
here.
the kid he going to the house. I just taking him to the store.
Oh, you were taking him to the store?
Yeah.
All right, well, just let me finish up what I'm doing and then you
Oh, okay. All right.
You good with that?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, all right. So that was the first reason. Second reason is...
All right, hold on, time out. Because
Okay.
I'm still trying to understand the first reason.
Sure.
You said I didn't stop coming from off a private lot.
Yep.
When I was sitting right there with all that traffic, I left when I could left, right? But all right, second reason, because I could go back and get the footage or whatever. It don't matter.
Okay.
All right, second reason.
That's cool. You got your driver's license, by the way?
Yeah, what's the second reason?
Okay. Can you give me your driver's license?
All right, can you call your supervisor?
Sure. After you give me your driver's license. And your registration.
Maryland finest. Black, you can get out the car if you want to. This ain't got nothing to do with you. He
Oh,
pulled
no,
me over.
I ain't want, he say, well, I'm getting out because I live right here.
Okay. Yeah, like I said, if you're good with hanging out, I'm good with it.
Please leave your message for 20249.
Excuse me.
I ain't want to be doing no movement.
Yeah, if you're good with just hanging out just for now.
I'm going to sit on my front.
Do you have any ID?
Nah, you pulled me over. He don't need his ID. You don't need your. He pulled me over.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Trust me, Black.
You
You don't need.
Listen,
He pulled me over. You ain't got nothing to do with this traffic stop.
listen, you don't have to identify yourself, okay? I'm just asking if you would mind just giving me your name, just so I know who I am.
No, he don't.
That's all.
Here you go.
You're not,
Get my
you're not in
license.
any trouble. Like I said,
Black, trust
I
me.
do this with everybody I pull over.
Right.
Right? Your friend's making it a little more complicated.
Yeah, that's what I say. I don't.
If you don't want to, you don't have to, but I'm just asking.
I'm
You don't
gonna sit
have-
on my
like,
front
You heard
right
what
here.
I said.
Okay.
You don't have to. You heard what he said. You don't have to.
So it's alright for me to
He
go and
pulled
sit on
me
my
over.
front?
Just sit there, Black. You good.
Just hang out for right now, okay?
You Black. You good. Can you call your supervisor?
What do you want me to call supervisor? You want me to see if they can
Just
respond?
chill.
I need your supervisor. Black, don't tell me what to do, bro. For real. All you have to do is chill. This ain't got to do with you. He pulled me over.
I
You
know,
could
I'm
have
just
kept
saying,
walking.
I'm
Next
just saying,
time,
just-
when you see me,
alright.
next time don't ask me for no ride. Don't wave at me or nothing.
Okay.
Fuck. Yeah, I need your supervisor though.
35 minute time.
Please leave your message.
Alright, the supervisor's unable to respond because he's sitting at the desk, okay? But I did call for one. I called for one right in front of you, alright? And you said you wanted to know the second reason for me stopping you? Or do you not care to know? Mr. Henderson. You gonna roll your window down for me?
It's good. I can hear you. You can hear me.
Right, but I can't see you.
You can see me.
Okay, can you step out of the car for me, please?
I sure can't. What's going on?
Okay. Well, when a police officer requests you to exit the vehicle, you have to exit the vehicle. That's case law, Pennsylvania versus Mims. So step out of the car for me.
You don't have to touch my door, bro.
Okay, come on, get out.
Can you back up, please? Because
I can't. Alright, face the car for me. You good if I pat
for
you
what?
out?
No.
Okay.
I'm sure don't.
You're not? Okay, then you're gonna go in handcuffs. Okay.
Pat me down. Y'all see the harassment?
Now I can pat you down? Are you sure you're
Come
good
on,
with it?
come on, scan boy.
I'm good with it? I can pat you down?
Pat me down.
Okay.
The fuck?
These are your keys.
Don't answer questions.
Alright, just stand in front of my car.
I stand right here.
You stand in front of my car like I told you to.
I'm in front of your car.
Okay.
Yeah, I see it. Dick sucker.
You might step out of the car for me, please. Yeah, okay. Are you just about to pat you down, man? Yeah, I think I might.
Hey, shut my door, Black.
That's fine. Appreciate you being cooperative.
I work every day.
I know that. Like I said, your friend's gonna make this a little more complicated than it has to be. That's just that's just his.
Nah, his friends know his rights.
This is why I can sit on my.
Wrong with
Go
you.
ahead, man. All right, here we go. Sorry, boy.
But all this for what? First he comes to the car. You know how fast you was going on right there on Pacific Drive. Then the first reason I pulled you over was because you didn't stop at leaving the private property coming from off of Ray Mills. How I went, we were sitting right there for 10 minutes with all that traffic right there trying to get into Canopy. We trying to leave. You know what I'm saying? I sat there for 5 or 10 minutes. Damn. You act like we had bazookas and everything. Why you ain't come like this the other day when they was shooting out this motherfucker? I don't give you permission to search my car. You a tough guy, huh? Get that shit up off your arm first before you try to act tough, big boy.
Unlock your car.
Nah, for what? For what? For what? For what? Give me a reason. What you going in my car for?
Unlock your car.
For what? You talking about traffic? What are you going in my car for? What is he going in my car for? Give me the reason. Marijuana? Come on, man. Look, it smell like marijuana. That's your excuse?
That's what he's.
Okay.
That's why he's doing it.
Okay.
Until.
Okay.
Now it's
Ooh, I love this. Cause it smell like marijuana. They didn't just pass the law where the odor of marijuana don't.
Hasn't gone into effect yet.
Okay.
July 1st.
All right. But as I said that, I ain't unlocking nothing. You want to search my car? Go in there and search it.
Okay. Give me the keys.
Excuse me. Stop coming up to me.
Give me the keys.
Stop coming up to me.
Give me the keys.
Stop coming up to me.
Give me the keys.
Okay. It smell like marijuana. Man, Black, don't even worry about it, bruh. We good, you hear me? Now it smell like marijuana. Why he ain't say that from the beginning? You feel me? It smell like marijuana. Marijuana about to be legal in July 1st, but he worried about some marijuana. You feel me? Think I'm about to get him my keys so he could search my car. You got me f***ed up. Like I'm one of these dumbass boys out here. We coming from the store, ain't bothering nobody. He can't even give me a correct reason. Oh, you know how fast you was going? That was the second one. First one is you didn't stop at the leaving the private property. How? We've been sitting there 5 or 10 minutes. Ben asked for a supervisor, but the supervisor can't come out because he's at the desk. Ian.
All right, so if you don't give me the keys to search it, I'm going to tow it to the barracks and get a search warrant, and then I'm going to search it anyway.
Go ahead. Stupid bitch. Go ahead. Go ahead. You ain't need my keys. Go ahead and search it, you stupid bitch. Find what you looking for. And make sure you get some proactive for that motherfucking left arm, you swole dumbass.
Stay back over.
You bitch, I stand where I want to stand. I stand where I want to stand. What Supreme Court say? 10 feet. You.
Okay.
Yeah, suck my.
Okay. Say 10 feet then.
Fuck you.
Yeah.
Think they about to pay behind me that he need to get some new boots. What's wrong with him? Mr. Henderson, do not ride around like that. Pick up everything that you drop.
Man, you got a lot of crap back here.
Pick up everything you drop. You dropped your pockets.
Drop yours.
Nah, I dropped your mother's.
Yeah? Did you?
Staying alive. I'm at Hyattsville Library. That's what's up. The blue line, biggest gang ever. That ain't the facts.
All right, man, you sit back in your car.
Smell like marijuana. It says it smell like marijuana, right? Where the is the marijuana at? It ain't against you or you or you. You feel me? Come on, man. Marijuana is legal in July, bruh. And listen, like I said, it don't got nothing to do with you or you. Marijuana is legal in July, right? So if he did find marijuana in here, July 1st, they gon' what? They gonna throw it out, right?
No, not necessarily.
So
I think theoretically they could.
So if he caught me with a gram of marijuana, right, and I went to court July 1st, everybody that got, if it's not a felony, everybody that got marijuana convictions is going to get thrown out if they go up there and get thrown out.
I don't know.
I read the laws, bro.
Sure,
Y'all don't think this because I'm black in my head like this, I'm retarded, bro. I read the laws. He wasn't supposed to search my car in the first place.
Okay. I don't think anything like that.
Listen, don't think I'm getting hostile at y'all.
I don't think
y'all just coming up being the, you know what I'm saying, the backup. Shit ain't got nothing to do with y'all.
Sure.
But come on, bruh.
It's real going on in St. Mary's County for you to be on my dick like this.
I understand where you're coming from.
Look at him.
I totally understand.
Like I said, it ain't got nothing to do with y'all. I appreciate y'all patience. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing to do with y'all. This sucker. What's up? Get my shit so I can go.
All right, I got your driver's license, your registration. I gave you 2 tickets. All right. All the ways to pay a ticket or take care of it on the back of the citation.
I'm going to court. Might go right to Canopy, get the video cameras and all that. You want my for no reason.
You understand?
Come on, hold to get my shit. Traffic stop is over. Get the fuck out of here. Thought you had something. Hope you choke on the chicken bone and die. You and your fucking family. You stupid. You too, brother. Hey, y'all hear what I said? This ain't got nothing to do with y'all. It just, that's shit, man. And y'all can't be doing that, bro. I'm not saying y'all doing it, but y'all can't be doing that. He sitting there and said he pulled me over because I pulled out a private property and I didn't stop. I was at Canopy sitting there for 10 minutes. Then you say I was speeding. You didn't even tell me what speed limit I was going. You asked me how fast I was going. I was going 35 miles an hour on Great Mills Road. I appreciate y'all for listening. Y'all be safe. You too.
Messy stop from the jump. Driver gets pulled over by Maryland State Police with a weak explanation. You didn't stop, leaving a lot. No clear violation. Driver asks the right question. What did I do? Officer can't clearly answer. Situation escalates, backup arrives, and suddenly the reason changes to, I smell marijuana. Classic pivot. Problem, that wasn't the original reason for the stop. Now they search the car anyway. Bottom line, no clear probable cause up front. Reason keeps changing. Stop turns into a fishing expedition. That's how bad stops happen and how lawsuits start.
Can you lower the back window? You don't have your registration sticker.
Huh?
You don't have your registration sticker. Turns out, but you can have your driver's license?
Sure, you can.
Is there a reason you were getting behind me like that?
Like what?
I was trying to let you pass.
Okay.
And you were slowing down and getting behind me because you knew I was moving over to get behind you.
Okay, so what's the issue?
Why were you getting behind me like that?
Why were you getting behind me
I
like
just told you because I was trying to pull you over.
You turned your emergency light if you want to pull me over.
I had to check your registration sticker.
So you pull
which
me
is
over.
why I got
You
in
want to
front
pull
of
me
you
over?
first.
You pull
Which
me
is
over.
why I got in front of you first. Do you have your insurance?
Yeah. If you want to pull me over, just pull me over. That's it.
Is your driver's license up to date? Your address is still good? Sir.
You know what? I don't have the insurance. So you wanna run the license plate? I don't have the insurance card on me. So you wanna?
Do you have a picture of it?
No, I don't. Just run the license plate. I mean,
You're required to show your insurance.
Right, but you can run the license plate as well. I mean, you have to be reasonable. You don't want to be reasonable, just issue a citation and that's it.
Is there a reason you don't have the registration sticker?
No, I don't. I have a reason.
It's required to be on there.
Right, okay.
When you got your license plate, they didn't give you the sticker?
Probably, but I don't know where we left it. Just run the tag. It should be up to date.
That's not the point.
I understand your point. Just
I don't know why you're trying to give me a hard time.
Just if you wanna cite me, and that's it.
You want a citation? I'll give you a citation.
It's your call.
You want a citation?
It's your call.
Okay, well then don't be giving me attitude for no reason.
I can give you.
I haven't given you attitude. I'm trying to talk to you good.
All right.
There's no reason for you to get like this. I just asked for your registration
All right.
sticker.
I don't know where it is.
All right. Hello? Yeah, I'm just writing up the warning. He was just giving attitude and recording. He didn't even want to lower the window all the way down. I didn't make a scene just because he has kids in the back, but... Where? Oh, the shell. That one. Setting a great example for your kids. It's a warning, doesn't affect your record, okay?